Installing a new faucet is a fast and inexpensive way to update your kitchen. Menards offers hundreds of faucet designs and different styles to choose from. Despite the variety of models, installation is practically universal no matter which faucet you choose. Before starting, you'll need an adjustable wrench, safety goggles, a screwdriver, a bucket, and supply lines. A couple additional helpful tools you'd want to have handy are a flashlight and a cloth rag. Refer to the installation instructions that came with your specific faucet to see if there are any additional requirements before you begin. First, make sure to turn off your water supply to the faucet. These are typically found under the sink. At this time, mark your hot and cold water valves. Typically, the left side goes to hot and the right side goes to cold. Using an adjustable wrench, disconnect both supply lines. Have a bucket handy for any water remaining in your supply lines. Then, turn on the existing faucet to drain any remaining water. Remove the nuts securing the existing faucet and take the faucet off the sink. If you're keeping the current sink, make sure to clean the area around the faucet hole before proceeding. Sinks come with different faucet hole positions, so be sure to buy a faucet that matches your sink. Most faucets come with the option of installing a deck plate. This can be used to cover existing holes when installing. Prep the new faucet for installation by pulling the sprayer hose so that the quick connect hose tip is sticking slightly out of the spout. Remove the quick connector and nut. These will be used again later, so keep them in a safe place. Also check to make sure the sink's faucet holes are free of sharp edges. Then, carefully insert the spout body into the desired faucet hole. It is a good idea to have someone hold the faucet in the proper position while you secure the faucet using the included lock plate from below. Secure the faucet by attaching the lock plate and nut to the spout underneath the sink. Make sure the lock plate's bump side is facing up during installation. This faucet comes with a quick installation tool to make securing the faucet easier. To use a quick install tool, place the tool over the nut and place a screwdriver through the hole on the bottom. Then twist the tool using the screwdriver to secure the nuts, but do not over-tighten. Before the final tightening, make sure the faucet is properly aligned from above. Take the nut that was removed during the prepping of the faucet and hand tighten back onto the spout. Now, pull the faucet sprayer head hose back through the spout and slide the weight on. Reconnect the previously removed quick connector to the quick connect hose tip and attach the other end to the water supply tip coming from the faucet. Next, reconnect the supply lines. Remember that the left side goes to hot and the right side goes to cold. Tighten the hot water line to the left connector using an adjustable wrench. Repeat for the other supply line. Now, turn on the water supply and confirm that there are no leaks. Adjust as needed. Before using the new faucet, be sure to flush the lines of any settled debris. This will also help prevent your faucet from clogging later on. To do this, remove the faucet head and allow the hot and cold water to run on full pressure for at least 15 seconds each. Once flushing is complete, reattach the faucet head and test the faucet functions by turning the faucet on and pressing the spray button. Check that no additional water is leaking from the faucet itself. That's it! Congratulations on installing your new kitchen faucet. Now you've added a fresh, new look to your kitchen that will last for years to come.